First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.
Welcome to a very special episode of Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. Today, we are speaking directly to the parents, the dedicated backbone of every successful student. I know you want the best for your child, and in a competitive environment like Malaysia, that often translates into constant checking. Did you study? What was your score? Did you finish the revision? This is micromanagement, and while it comes from love, it often breeds anxiety and resistance. Today, we shift the conversation. This is Parents' Guide how to support your child's academic journey without micromanaging. Let's define the shift. Your role is not to be the study manager. Your child is the CEO of their own academic journey. Your role is the home environment manager. What does the home environment manager do? They secure the foundation. They ensure your child has a consistent bedtime, nutritious food, and a quiet, designated study space. You manage the condition for success. They model behavior. If you want your child to manage their time, they need to see you managing your time and stress effectively. Model reading, learning, and resilience. They provide emotional safety. Your home must be the one place where your child feels safe to admit that they struggled or failed. If you fear your disappointment, they will hide their problems, and that prevents coaching and recovery. When you manage the environment, you empower them to manage their studies. When you see that test paper or assignment come home, the instinctive question is always the final result. That focuses solely on the outcome, which they can't change now. Instead, start focusing on the process. Here are 3 questions guaranteed to build trust and promote better study habits. What did you learn today that surprised you? This shifts the conversation from obligation to interest. It encourages deep thinking and recalling the positive aspects of learning, even if the result was poor. What was the biggest challenge you faced this week, and how did you tackle it? This focus on problem solving, a key soft skill from episode 4. It reinforces the idea that you value their effort and resilience more than perfection. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well did you stick to your study plan last night? And why was it that number? This fosters accountability. It shows them you value the consistency and strategy. For episode 1, they apply, not just the final grade. By asking about the process, you teach them how to succeed, not just what success looks like. As parents, we must practice praising the effort behind the scenes. This is critical for internal motivation. If your child improves their time management and finishes their homework half an hour earlier, praise the efficiency. If they fail a test but go straight to the teacher to ask for help, following our advice from episode 3, you praise the initiative and courage. If you only celebrate ace, you teach your child that their worth is conditional on performance only. If you celebrate resilience, effort, and curiosity, you build a foundation that is unbreakable. Your belief in their effort is the fuel they need. Let them know clearly that you are proud of who they are and the hard work they put in, regardless of the single digit on a piece of paper. The goal is independence. Shift from study manager to home environment manager. Ask about the process, not just the result. Celebrate the small victories in effort. When you let go of the micromanagement, you give your child the space they need to grow into a resilient, self-directed learner. So guys, thank you for tuning in into the Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. Next week, we are covering a massive topic, local versus global, choosing the right university pathway in Malaysia. Don't miss this essential guide to university planning. Until then, keep exploring your child's potential. Have a nice day. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh. Second thing, second doom, cities creating pride.